This is the Yamaha R-N1000A, and on paper, it looks like the perfect all-in-one stereo receiver for modern audiophiles. It promises high-end sound, built-in streaming, and even room correction. Basically everything you'd want without stacking a bunch of separate gear. But here's the thing. After using it for a week, I found a couple of surprises Yamaha doesn't exactly shout about. So, is this the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it hi-fi solution, or just another overpriced receiver? Yamaha R-N1000A product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Yamaha R-N1000A is a premium network stereo receiver released as part of Yamaha's newer hi-fi lineup, sitting just below their flagship models. It's designed for people who want serious sound quality without diving into complex separates. You're getting 100 watts per channel, built-in Wi-Fi streaming via Yamaha's MusicCast platform, HDMI ARC for TV integration, and something called YPAO room calibration, which is pretty rare in stereo gear. At around the mid to high price range, this is clearly aimed at music lovers who want convenience and performance. Think someone upgrading from a basic amp or soundbar to a real hi-fi setup.
Yamaha R-N1000A Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually feel to use? I tested the R-N1000A with everything from Spotify streaming to vinyl playback, and even hooked it up to my TV for movies. And honestly, this thing delivers a really balanced, confident sound. It's not trying too hard to impress with boosted bass or exaggerated highs. Instead, it feels refined. Vocals come through crystal clear, instruments are well separated, and there's a sense of space that you usually only get with more expensive setups. If you're into genres like jazz, acoustic, or even classic rock, you'll appreciate how natural everything sounds. Now, where it really surprised me was with movies. Thanks to HDMI ARC, it becomes your TV's audio hub, and dialogue clarity is excellent. It's not a surround system, obviously, but for a stereo setup, it's immersive enough.
Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features, because this is where Yamaha flexes a bit. First up, YPAO room calibration. This is basically Yamaha's system that analyzes your room acoustics and adjusts the sound accordingly. And honestly, it works. It's not just a gimmick, it tightens up the bass and balances the sound in a way that makes your setup feel more dialed in, without manual tweaking. Next, you've got MusicCast streaming. This gives you access to Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, and more, all controlled from your phone. The benefit here is convenience. You're not juggling devices, it just works and it's stable. Then there's HDMI ARC, which is a big deal. It means you can connect your TV with a single cable and control everything with one remote. So yeah, this can replace your soundbar and sound way better doing it. And finally, Yamaha's ESS SABRE DAC. That's audiophile-grade digital to analog conversion, which basically means your digital music sounds cleaner and more detailed. It's one of those things you don't notice immediately, but once you do, it's hard to go back. Design and build. Aesthetically, Yamaha nailed it. This thing looks like classic hi-fi gear, but modernized. You've got a solid aluminum front panel, large tactile knobs, and a clean display that's easy to read from across the room. It feels substantial too. Not overly bulky, but definitely premium. The buttons have a satisfying click, and the volume knob? Smooth. Like really smooth. One thing to note though, it's not exactly compact. You'll need proper shelf space, and it's not something you're hiding away in a cabinet. Pros. Excellent, balanced sound quality with great clarity. YPAO room correction actually makes a noticeable difference. HDMI ARC adds huge convenience for TV setups. Cons. Bass might feel underwhelming without a subwoofer. A bit pricey compared to simpler stereo receivers. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who wants a clean, high-quality stereo setup without diving into separates, this is a fantastic option.
It simplifies everything, streaming, TV audio, room tuning, into one polished package. If you're upgrading from a soundbar or entry-level amp, the jump in sound quality is going to be huge. But if you're a hardcore bass lover or someone who enjoys tweaking every little detail manually, you might feel a bit limited, or you'll need to budget for extra gear like a subwoofer.